Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to trade market continuation on Us30. So right now we are on a downtrend on the 45 minutes on Us30. And if you remember previously, okay, people that follow me on Instagram, I dropped a chart analysis on Us30. I showed you guys the trend line that I'm expecting the break of the trend line, which already broke, and I'm already inside for a sell, but I'm looking for more sell opportunities on this trade. So if you look at the chart properly, you'll see that the market is forming lower low and lower high on Us30. And in a downtrend, market forms lower low and lower high, and we always wait for market to go back to a lower high structure. That is when we trade. That's when we take trades. That is when we take our trade for a sell continuation. So I'll be making an illustration on how the market moves most times. So now, I'll show you guys how the market moves. Market is forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And know that this type of this lower low and lower high can act as support and resistance. The lower low is usually the support. When it breaks and make a retest, it turns to resistance, which is a very strong key level. And we know how important key level can be in the market. These are zones that the market always respects every time. Like markets always respect level. I find it way stronger than support and resistance. When price was previously at support before, then is now reacting to it as resistance. You can actually take this as a trade signal for whatever trade you want to enter. Always make sure you have your own confirmation to enter into trade with it. Like when price was previously resistance, if it changed to support and you find your signal to buy at that particular zone, like me, my own signal at that zone is the 1 to 3 engulfing candlestick. When I see the 1 to 3 engulfing candlestick on the support area, which was previously resistance, I take a good buy, and it is very profitable. But we're not trading. We're not trading that way. We are actually waiting for, while trading a trend continuation. And like I said before, market always form lower low and lower high. When market forms a lower low, we wait for it to form a lower high. We can also use our Fibonacci retracement. I'll show you guys how to use the Fibonacci retracement. I always wait for price to get to the 56%, the 61.8, or the 50% before I get into the trade most times for a continuation. So You can see the way this lower low here in this um illustration change into a lower high, which is acting as a resistance. You can actually take a sell trade from there, and that's what we're actually doing this morning. Yeah, so this is the support that later changed into a resistance zone. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, so this is what we're doing basically this morning, honestly. Let's go into the real life situation, like real life market, and let me show you guys what the market is currently doing and how we'll be getting into the market. So if you look at the market right now, you see that price is forming lower low and lower high. Yes, lower low is lower high, then lower low. If you can't identify these zones yourself, if you can't identify the lower low and lower high yourself in the market, you can use the pivot point indicator to identify these areas in the market. If you know you're having difficulties in identifying this area yourself, you can use this pivot point indicator to identify market structure, lower low and lower high in the market. It is very good and it helps a lot. Yeah, so currently in the market, if you look at the price right now, you see that I seeing the way when I drew the fib from the lower high to the lower low, you see that price is on 61% retracement. So if you use your Fibonacci, like when I use my Fibonacci from this new current lower high to the lower low structure, price is on, like you see that where the previous lower low structure is, that is where the retracement is, which is on the 56% retracement area, meaning that price wants to retest this previous support zone, which is the lower low, for a sell continuation. Yeah, so this is how I'll be entering the trade for a sell continuation. I'll be waiting for price to get back into that zone so that I can take a sell trade or a sell continuation trade, because I'm already in a sell trade already after the break of the trend line that I showed you people. So on the, if you're on on an uptrend, it is almost the same thing. Wait for market to form a higher high and higher low structure. Draw your Fibonacci from the higher low to the higher high. Wait for price to get into probably the 61.8 retracement, the 56 or the 50%. Then wait for your candlestick confirmation for buy continuations. This is very simple, as ABC. Yeah, so this is where I'll be waiting to actually get a sell trade, to actually take a sell trade. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching this. I'm really grateful. I know my video quality is not so great and my audio too is not so great, but I promise to get better along this journey. And I've not really been so consistent with this. I've not really been consistent with this YouTube channel. And I remember the last time I uploaded a video here was a year ago, but I've been posting on my Instagram page. That is where I post my chart analysis, so people can check it out. Here I drop my chart analysis there. It is Esther Journal. Yes, I'll be putting it in the description box below. Hope I'm correct. Yeah, so thank you very much. Have a good trading day. God bless you all. Thank you.